Bittorrent fundamentally is a mid-positioned coin with the ticker BTT that most certainly has a genuinely present worth of $0.000001 and a market capitalization of $1,093,988,140, which explicitly is very huge. Digital currencies basically have fundamentally lengthy past a purpose in being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure sellers. These days, it's a resource class that in every practical sense is considerably directed and, surprisingly, took on as lawful delicate, or so they really thought. Some very huge speculation banks even really gained Bittorrent and especially other cryptographic forms of money as a group to, for the most part, safeguard their resources under administration against a running expansion that handicaps the customary monetary business sectors in an especially large manner. Presently, now is the right time to uncover our short, mid, and certainly long-haul expectation of the advancements on the BTT market that explicitly depend on the readings of our kind of extraordinary crypto unpredictability file that generally assists us with measuring the market feeling and truly expect where in which the market means to go in a real sense. At this point, the cost of Bittorrent for the most part is $0.000001, while the coin at present truly winds up at 52nd spot in the truly and general positioning, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. The expressed positioning in every practical sense is assessed based on the resources by and large present value that for the most part is duplicated by its for the most part current market capitalization, a recipe that for the most part is applied all through every monetary market. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions, so our clients essentially get the most important information in regards to the presentation of computerized assets in their portfolios in a by and large enormous manner. It's likewise vital to generally consider the verifiable information that permits shaping a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its course. On December 18, the cost of Bittorrent most certainly was at $0.000001 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change fundamentally added up to 2.08%, which basically is genuinely critical. 7 days prior, on December 12, BTT was esteemed at $0.000001, and that truly intends that from that point forward, the cost in every practical sense has really vacillated by 0%, which generally is genuinely critical. A month prior, on November 19, the market member laid out the cost of Bittorrent at $0. Consequently, the coin in every practical sense has taken a 133.01% action to in a real sense arrive at its truly present standings, which truly is genuinely huge. Nonetheless, as currently made sense of, the cost of Bittorrent isn't the main for the most part factor that we fundamentally consider while making the cost expectation, or so they thought. It's likewise essential to fundamentally keep a very sharp eye on changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to have an extremely clear perspective on where the market in a real sense is going, which by and large is genuinely critical. The examination of market capitalization in every practical sense conveys in every practical sense equivalent significance in both cryptographic money and conventional business sectors, in spite of prevalent thinking. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology generally is utilized to really decide the fundamentally by and large position and fame of computerized resources and stocks, for example. Showing how our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions so our clients for the most part get the most significant information in regards to the exhibition of computerized assets in their portfolios in an unpretentious way. Changes in market capitalization, especially sure or truly negative especially, are additionally demonstrative of the manner by which the said market could generally be going, as well as the resources in every practical sense, potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both truly short and fundamentally long-haul viewpoints, or so they for the most part thought. This in every practical sense, specific truly metric really is likewise used to check the strength of Bittorrent, comparable to the remainder of the digital currency market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future exhibition, which sort of is genuinely huge. To especially decide the in every practical sense current market capitalization of BTT, we explicitly duplicate the flowing stockpile, the boundary that will sort of be for the most part made sense of later by the truly present worth of the digital money under survey, so presently, now is the right time to essentially uncover our short, mid, and certainly long-haul expectation of the improvements on the BTT market that depend on the readings of our by and large remarkable crypto unpredictability file that truly assists us with measuring the market opinion and, by and large, expect where in which the market plans to go amazingly. Starting today, the market capitalization of Bittorrent essentially remains at $1,093,988,140, which frames the reason for fundamentally present positioning, especially was referenced before in a quite large manner. Yesterday, on December 18, BTT basically had a market capitalization of $1,129,786,651, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Keep going week, on December 12, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to basically was recorded at $1,334,649,828, which for the most part is genuinely critical. A month prior, on November 19, the market worth of Bittorrent generally was surveyed to in a real sense be $469,508,713 in a kind of large manner. Complete Stockpile considers the quantity of coins that sort of have previously been delivered by different means, for example, through mining. Exhibiting that some genuinely huge venture banks even for the most part secure Bittorrent and other digital currencies all at once to by and large safeguard their resources under administration, against a running expansion that handicaps the customary monetary business sectors in an unobtrusive manner. These digital currencies can generally be utilized either for pretty dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with caretakers, or so they essentially thought. This in every practical sense. Metric likewise considers the coins that in a real sense have been deliberately eliminated through the cycle called consuming, which generally is applied to control the expansion rate amazingly. At this point, the for the most part complete stock of Bittorrent certainly is laid out at 990,000,000,000,000,000 BTT in a kind of enormous manner. In conclusion, the coursing supply is utilized to basically work out the market capitalization and essentially evaluate the coin's ongoing remaining in the positions, exhibiting that it's likewise vital to truly consider the verifiable information that permits shaping a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its heading. It means the by and large generally speaking measure of BTT that is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that in a real sense are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly for the most part, put unavailable for general use out of the blue in an all things considered, significant way. It's by and large fundamentally accepted that digital currencies that have a coursing supply between 60 million and 150 million basically are the most reasonable for in every practical sense, long-haul speculation, since they in every practical sense are probably going to all things considered appreciate in esteem over a lengthy timeframe, perhaps many years. While keeping a sensible expansion rate, showing that these days, it's a resource class that for the most part is considerably controlled and, surprisingly, embraced as lawful delicate, or so they especially thought. At this point, Bittorrent most certainly has a circling supply of 951,421,714,286,000 coins, which truly is genuinely huge. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with BTT arrived at the